So here it is, the FX, Project FX35 has come to an end. Now I'm just gonna kind of drive it. You know, I had it repainted, I redid the wheels, you know, so it's come a long way from where I had it. You know, when I got it, it was in severe need of a paint job and a lot of body work. The headlights were messed up, so I had it repainted. From Mako's. They did an okay job for what it is. You know, I wasn't trying to put a ton of money in this because I knew I wouldn't get it back. But I had them paint the grille. I did the headlights, as you saw in a separate video. They wouldn't do the wheels, so I did the wheels myself, did that in a separate video. I did the roof rack as well. And just the other day, I put the chrome stripping on, showed that in a video. I think it totally makes the vehicle, though. It makes it pop. Makes it look like a second gen, to be honest with you. Because they already have that, so that came out really well. I had them paint Honda. I had them paint this diffuser at the body shop, and of course, you know about the seats. I put those in a separate video as well. They came out really good, especially for the price. I had a sticky dash, so I put a dash mat on, and I showed that in a separate video. So I've brought you guys along for pretty much everything I've done to this FX since I got it back in October. So it is now January, and it's actually, today's the 20th actually, and so I just finished this, and it is complete. And I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna just keep driving it or if I'm going to sell it, because I'm gonna sell the G, and I could sell both of these and just get a newer FX37 limited edition, you know, the last year they made them, or an FX50 if I can find one. But anyway, this is Project FX kind of wrapped up. So appreciate you guys following it, seeing how far it's come. I think it looks night and day different compared to when I got it, and I actually sent it a few photos to the guy I bought it from, and he couldn't believe how it looked and how it came out. So I'm very pleased with it as well. Hopefully these videos have been helpful to you and maybe your FX journey, and seeing what happens with this, and maybe some inspiration and stuff for some of the how-to videos. I'll let you know if I end up selling this or what ends up happening with the G37 and this. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your support and following along. So I'll see you next time.